Hey there guys, here is the Twitter favorite module for Mass Planner. Okay, what this module will allow you to do is some pretty cool things. I have not really used the favorite module in some time, and the reason why I haven't done that is because, I don't know, I kind of get stuck with lots of detail, and what I mean by that is like using various keywords and such like that. But here's the thing. Mass Planner makes everything as simple as possible for you guys. So here, Mass Planner, the team has composed like a good document, like some awesome documentation. I'm going to link that for showing you how to do searches based on, and as you can see here, location, language, compound expressions, and such like that, using the keyword research, or the keyword searching on Twitter. All right. I have not, as I said, I have not went into that portion yet, and I have not went through the document and read it and tested it out. That's something that maybe I'll do later. Mainly what I do with Twitter myself is I'm building up my network. I mean, pretty soon I'll probably start using the favorite, and some of these other features, but just to let you know what it looks like and what it works like, I'll just go through the explanation. So this is the favorite tool for Mass Planner. All right. So you can favorite things by keywords. Okay. And you can get very specific with it. And as I said, there are more details on how you can input those details in here if you just don't want to do keywords, because you could do hashtags, you can do what have you. By clicking here on your account name. Okay, I'll click on my account name. You'll get your pop-up window. And as I told you guys, I always tell you guys, if this is white, click up here where it says open, whatever account it is, Twitter, Facebook, what have you, Google Plus, what have you. And it's going to open, it's going to refresh your window here in the embedded browser. What I do from there is I'd simply type in where it says search Twitter. I'd start typing in some things and see what comes up, what yields the best results. So if I'm searching for social media marketing, I click on one of those and see what type of results I get. Okay. And then these are, as you can see, within post. Okay. So you may want to go with, like I said, you may want to get very specific. And this is something that I'm going to start doing eventually, but I want to get a bigger network of people that are following me, or a bigger following, so that I can get really specific, because you can go in and say, okay, I want to search for steps to succeed in social media marketing. Okay. Not necessarily from Jeff Bulis, but from people that are in India, or people that are in New York, or people that are in Harlem, New York, or, different things like that. You can get very specific with it. And that's something that, using the documentation that the Mass Planner team has created, you will be able to do. I haven't, as I said, tested it yet, so I haven't implemented it. So I'm not going to go too deep into that, but I will give you the rest of the settings, all right? So, as usual, when doing this process, okay, Mass Planner has a default setting here of 45 and 90 minutes before it likes favorites, okay, between 1 and 7 posts, okay? Use real-time results. So it's going to pick tweets that are less than 5 days old, all right? It's going to pick tweets that have between 0 and 5,000 retweets. Okay, so that's a very wide range. You may want to, find tweets that are popular. So you want to make sure that that it has maybe 10 retweets, something like really big, or 100 retweets, But that's where doing your bit of like clicking on the browser, or clicking here on your name and open up your embedded browser to do a little research, within Mass Planner will help. Pick tweets that have been. Pick tweets that have between 0 and 5,000 favorites. Okay, so tweets that have been favorited between a certain amount of times here, those are those settings. What you would do after that is you keep a maximum of 500 likes, when exceeding old posts, unlike 0. Okay, hold on one second. Let me read this again. So. Okay, so basically what this means is, all right, it'll list all of the let me make sure I'm doing this right. So it'll list all of the, like, 500 of the likes, okay, when it exceeded old posts or unliked. Okay, so once it gets to 500, got it. When it gets to 500 likes, or these actions have occurred, it's favored at 500 items, okay, it's going to basically start unliking some of them. When exceeded, so once this limit here gets to 500, so all of these listed down here gets to 500, it's going to start unliking some of the things if that's the way you want it, okay? And this is on a daily basis, guys. You can set this for a different amount so that, once you've liked 500 things for that day, it starts unliking some things so it can bring your balance up to 500. That's basically what this means. All right, and you can set this for lower, you can set it for less. However, all right, once you're finished or once you have your settings configured properly, click here where it says Start Auto Favorite, and boom, it's going to start that that operation. I'm not a big Twitter user right now. I'm mainly, like I said, growing my my network. So if you want more information on this or how others are using it, I suggest that you go into the Mass Planner group on Facebook and ask us questions, guys. Someone definitely is using it inside of the group and can give you answers. All right, so we'll speak to you guys in the next video.